So today I have the relatives over and we are making krashikis. It is basically a family tradition. Anton, what are we doing?
Baking krashikis. Also known as angel wings.
What's the process that you're doing right now? Getting the dough ready?
Yep. Flavoring, a little bit of salt. What else do we need? Sugar, lemon peel, almond extract, and then we add flour. And then I'm just kneading the dough and making little dough balls.
And then once they're rolled out and everything is set, they go to the fryer.
Oh, we got all that? That ain't bad. These are all 16 footers. 1x8s or whatever.
Once that gets going, we'll show you how it's done. Now, I did get a few comments on my very first vlog of when we destroyed the building of people saying we didn't save the beams. Trust me, we saved the beams. We're gonna clean those off, we're gonna varnish them, and they're actually gonna be in the boathouse. So, can't wait to get that project done and show you what we're doing. Making, how many batches we got here?
20.
Need more powdered sugar. Need some more powdered sugar, got any? Powdered sugar.
2, 3. There's the sun coming out. There's gonna be a rainbow. There it is. I see the rainbow. The rainbow. Do you see it? I just got word that the rolling has started.
Well, not yet. It's gonna be. It's about to start.
Ooh, look at the dough.
Oh, you need flour over there?
It's right here.
Mia, how's it going? What are you, sifting? Looks like you got some on your nose.
She's been working on all day. Look at Kim's face.
Mia, what are we, or Melissa, what are we doing over here?
Cheesy potatoes.
All right. My favorite.
She was told she has to make them.
Well, honey,
Which was the first ball?
And a local favorite, Chevetta's chicken. Okay, today we brought Jack out to the vacation home. This is my dog Jack, if you don't know. Jack, come on. I'm gonna show you the ponds. Look at him. Getting a good pee in, huh? This is just B-roll footage.
B-roll. Is that what happens when you fuck up A-roll? Yeah. How would that be? We're not supposed to swear.
Yeah. I remember she died 2 days,
Cheesy potatoes.
Friday, June the 24th, because I graduated on June the 26th.
All right, camera's on. Stop the previous conversation. Because that was very inappropriate.
Why? What was she saying?
I'm a fairy.
Cool.
Danny, remember when you used to call my sister Miss America and she used to get really mad?
No.
Amanda? You always called her Miss America and she used to get so mad at you.
I don't remember that.
You were born the same day.
Yes. Y'all were born on the same day in the same year.
Hi, people. We're moving right along here.
Flying. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 batches of Krishiki.